Is artificial intelligence the future of surgery? Picture this. You are lying on an operating table, anesthesia kicking in, and instead of a human surgeon with years of medical school debt, in walks a robot, steps in. Yep, metal arms, AI brain, and the precision of a caffeinated laser pointer. Question is this our future, or is this how sci-fi horror movies start? Let's dig in, and don't worry, no actual robots were harmed making this video. What is AI surgery? AI in surgery isn't some random Roomba holding a scalpel. We are talking advanced systems that analyze images, plan surgical approaches, and even operate with precision that would make a Swiss watch jealous. Think of it as GPS for your organs, except instead of saying turn left in 300 feet, it's saying avoid the spleen, make a 2mm incision, and done. Hey, before we go full Black Mirror here, smash that like button. It tells the YouTube algorithm these humans love robots cutting people open, and subscribe before a robot does it for you, with surgical precision of course. Why even use AI for surgery? Simple. Humans make mistakes. A slip of the hand, a sneeze mid-suture, or Monday morning brain fog. AI on the other hand doesn't get tired, doesn't need lunch breaks, and definitely doesn't get shaky after too much coffee. AI can analyze thousands of past surgeries, predict complications, and help surgeons not accidentally leave a sponge inside you. Basically, it's like having the nerdiest, most focused surgical assistant ever, except it doesn't roll its eyes when you play 80s music in the OR. Where is AI used now? AI surgery isn't the future, it's happening right now. Robotic systems like the Da Vinci are assisting in delicate procedures like heart valve repairs and prostate surgery. Some AI systems even stitch you up while monitoring your vitals in real time. It's like having a pit crew, but for humans. When will AI take over completely? So, when do we hand over the scalpel completely? Probably not soon. Right now, AI is the co-pilot, not the captain. It's guiding, enhancing precision, and reducing risks. But full-on robot surgeons, that's still a few sci-fi chapters away. Because let's be honest, would you trust a Windows update mid-surgery? Exactly. How will it change healthcare? If AI continues to evolve, surgeries could become faster, safer, and more accessible. Imagine a world where rural hospitals have AI-assisted procedures, saving lives without waiting for top specialists. And yes, there's still a human at the controls, because no one wants their appendix removed by ChatGPT 9.0 without supervision. So, is AI the future of surgery? Absolutely, it's already here, making doctors better, faster, and sharper. But don't worry, humans are still running the show for now. If you're cool with robots helping save lives, hit like so YouTube knows you're not afraid of the future, subscribe so you don't miss our next weird but true health story, and drop a comment. Would you trust a robot to do your surgery?